everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Annette. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And don't forget to press that notification bell beside the subscribe button because it will notify you of future videos. Well, today I have another video on the series Jewelry Making 101. If you haven't seen the previous two videos that I have posted already, they're all about tools and sizing it up, which is the right size and length of the necklace that you would need. I'm going to link those somewhere around here and on the description box below. So today we have another video on the series Jewelry Making 101, and today we're going to be talking about jewelry findings. And what are findings? Findings are the components used to assemble your jewelry. So what are those materials that you are going to need to create your piece of jewelry? If you don't know what those things are, that is exactly what we're going to be talking about today, so stick around. And I want to say thank you to everybody who has been watching my other jewelry videos, my jewelry tutorials. If you haven't watched them, I'm going to also link them above somewhere around here and below in the comment section, because these are the earrings that we created last time and that video I posted last week. These earrings are so cute, and the new video that's coming up this week, it's all about this bracelet that I have right here. And this is a stretchy bracelet and it has different components to it. It has pearls and spacers, and I think you guys are gonna love it. So if this comes out by Wednesday, I'll probably post this video by Friday, so you guys have two videos during the week, and I will link it somewhere around here. I hope you enjoy. Okay, you guys, the first thing we're going to talk about are beaded threads. Now, usually beaded threads are strong and have very little stretch to it, so you will not be able to take this string. This is a 100% silk, and this is just one of those threads that you can do. You can do cotton, you can do whatever you want, but those have very little flexibility when you stretch them. Usually they're soft and they're easy to pass through a beading or a needle eye. They knot very well, and you'll be able to create a very soft and flowy piece of jewelry. If you want something that sits in a necklace that's very soft and comfortable, silk is the way to go. Pearls are created with silk, so I think that you guys will enjoy using silk if you want to do pearls. Now, this is 100% silk, and it's from on a string, and this I believe I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and it retails for $3.99, but you can find them online anywhere. Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about are chains, and I just have one sample of a piece of chain link here, but they come very thin, very thick, and they come in a variety of sizes and colors and finishes, but this is also considered a finding. Okay, the next thing we have here is leather or sway. A lot of people get those, and they come in a variety of colors, and they are used for many casual looks. Bracelets, necklaces, very macrame kind of a thing. These are very soft and comfortable, and I wanted to show you this one, and I have them in variety of colors. They're just $1 from Walmart, and they're 8 feet long. This is a lot of length of cord that you have here to work with. This is also a finding. The next thing we have is cord. Now, cord is used for a variety of things, and it's available in different colors, in cotton, linen, jute, so leather. This one is 1.5 millimeter, and it's a round leather cord. That's what this is called. This is a pack of 3. This has brown, light brown, and black, and this one's also from Hobby Lobby, and it comes for $6.99, and when Hobby Lobby has them 50% off, then you just pay half price. Okay, the next finding that we have is called a rat tail, and this is 100% nylon, and you can use this again for bracelets, for necklaces, for whatever you are going to be creating, but this is also called a finding. Okay, the next thing we have are beaded cords, and this one, as you can tell, is well loved because it also brought another strand here with a different color. I believe it was like an aqua color, and I created a bracelet with that. But this is also a finding, okay? And this is just a different type of cord that comes. This packet, I like it because you can find it at Walmart, and it has 36 yards in this, so it gives you enough to create bracelets or necklaces or multiple bracelets if you want to, okay? The next thing we have is what they call the nylon coated beaded wire or beading wire, and you'll be able to know this because it actually says it right there. It says colored nylon, and of course I puncture this because I have like a little place to put them as a roll, but these are what it's called a nylon coated wire, and it's made up of multiple strands of metal. And what they do is they twist them together, and then they coat them with nylon. The more strands, the stronger, and more flexibility with the wire. This also comes in different dimensions, diameters, and strengths. The next thing that is considered a finding, it's a stretch cord, and this is great to create bracelets, and it's more durable than a thin synthetic, a thin elastic, and you can just put a few dabs of glue just to seal the knot with it, but it's great for bracelets. Now this one is in 5mm or 0.019, but these come in different sizes and thicknesses, and it's great. Like this one was created with a nylon stretchy cord, and if you haven't seen the video, I'm going to post it. Now I had to bring the big guns here because for this part, this is my favorite storage drawer. If you guys have not seen my video on this particular storage unit, I'm going to link it up below. I'm going to link it on this video, and I'm also going to put it down below where the comment section is, because you guys, if you don't have one of these, you're missing out. This saves so much space, and it's just great. Okay, as part of the findings, I'm going to show you a few findings I have here that you can definitely use. So these are bullet style end caps, and let me show you what that looks like. And this is perfect for when you have leather, really thick leather. You can put it at the end of the leather. So these are bead caps, and what they do is they just add some texture and sparkle in place of just leaving the cord at the ends with nothing. You can put these at the end, and they just look fabulous. Okay, let me see, what else do I have in here? I think I have the smaller ones. Yeah, these are the 3mm leather end caps. I want to show you this one as well. Let me pull it out. Aren't these so convenient? I love this little packet. Okay, so these are great for when you're going to put the cap at the end. You can do that with the cord that I showed you previously as a finding, which is this one right here, and you can just put this at the end and just put a little bit of glue there, and you can put your closure there. So let me put this one back. I'm going to show you another one. We have, let's see here. Of course, we all know jump rings are metal, round, and ovals, and they're used to attach jewelry and components and all that kind of stuff. And these are also findings. So these little materials like this are called findings, and we know this. Let me see if I have another one here. Oh, you know what? These beautiful spacers are just great. And these are findings as well. Now, let me show you the bracelet that I have on. It has some, see if you can see this. but here they are right here. You see that? It serves as a spacer for it. And the spacers are just to keep beaded strands separate on the bracelet or the necklace. Some are just to decorate, and you know, they just become a design or an element to your necklace. You want to make those very discreet, beautiful, but with purpose. Of course, we have the big lobster clasp. These are also clasps, are also called findings. So all sizes and shapes and styles are available. Lobster clasp, toggle clasp. I don't know. We have so many variety. The magnetic ones, they're all different ones. So this one's a big one. Which one's this one? Oh, these spacers are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Check these spacers out. They have a little diamond on that side, and they have the hole in the middle. So if you're creating a bracelet or a necklace and you put this on, ooh, that's gonna look so beautiful. There we go. Okay, now another finding that we usually see are the head pins or the eye pins. So let me pull out some, I believe these are eye pins. Yeah, these are 2 inches eye pins. Here we go. And if you've never seen this before, I'm just going to show you. I hope you can see that. It's an eye pin because it has just the loop on one side, and that's what it looks like. The same thing, they're very similar and are used in similar situations when making jewelry. A head pin is a straight wire like this one, and a head pin, it just doesn't have what the eye pin has right here, the hole, like the loop. And I'm going to show you what a regular head pin looks like. I have one right here. These don't have the loop at the end. They do have, however, it looks like a needle. They do have this little, it could be flat at the end. It could have a bigger design here. It could have it could be a finding all the way out here. Just a design element for your earring. But these are just basic ones. So these are great. You guys, crimp beads and crimp tubes are small metal beads. They're flattened to just over the jewelry to just close the jewelry at the end. So the beads are rounded and then the tubes are like cylinder size, and both come in many sizes and finishes. And this is what a crimp tube looks like. And this you use to close your necklace. Okay, you guys, so let's recap. So we talked about choosing findings, and when we say findings, we don't only mean head pins or closures for your jewelry. We're talking about beading thread, we're talking about chains, we're talking about cord, stretchy cord, we're talking about nylon cord or leather cords, we're talking about bead caps or any element that's gonna accentuate your bracelet and make it look beautiful. We're talking about cones or end caps or head pins, jump rings, spacers, anything like that is what we called a finding. So we've been through everything. I've showed you examples of what they are, and I hope that you have learned something today. You guys, I hope this has been great for you guys as it's been for me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, again, please do so. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, God bless.